In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PowerPoint presentations as a PDF. This skill can be incredibly useful whether you're preparing for a presentation or simply want to share your slides in a more widely accessible format. PDFs preserve the formatting of your slides, ensuring that everyone sees your work exactly as you intended, regardless of their device or software. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow in order to seamlessly convert your PowerPoint file into a PDF. First things first, you need to have your PowerPoint presentation open. Once you've got that ready, take a look up at the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the menu titled File. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with a range of options for managing your presentation. Now, within this drop-down menu, you'll want to locate the option labeled Export. Selecting this will lead you to a new set of options specifically designed for saving your presentation in different formats. Although you might be tempted to save your file right away, exporting gives you more control and options for your final file format, which is what we're focusing on today. After clicking Export, you will notice several saving options appear. Among these, look for the one that says Download as PDF. Clicking this option prompts the program to create a PDF version of your PowerPoint presentation. Once you select this, a dialog box may appear asking you where you want to save your new PDF file. Choose a location on your computer that's easy to find, whether it's your desktop or a specific folder where you organize your documents. Then simply click Save and you're all set. Your presentation is now saved as a PDF, ready to be shared with colleagues or collaborators with the assurance that the layout and design you worked hard on will remain intact. One thing to keep in mind is that, while the conversion should mirror your original presentation almost perfectly, sometimes certain elements may shift slightly, depending on the content's complexity